just ignore it there. It still has to be done. But look how cute this is in my violin right next to that donkey. Why is there a little bug? And here's a new one. That's my little studio. I was having a snack when I had to run because of a big beetle. Like, this big. Nope. Here's my cowgirl hat and my tail. I don't know if I'm gonna get a new tail on. Here's an old cross that I want to paint so bad. This little area is gonna be that. So yeah, and I got this and all of this stuff. So yeah. So I'll bring back and I will show you guys. Bye, guys.